Now we'll hear from Luka, an international student from Bosnia and Herzegovina, a theater studies major who took time to find his passion through the liberal arts curriculum, learning how to think and not what to think. Let's head over to the Berry Center where it's lights, camera, action for Luka.
Thank you for that epic intro, Alex. As an international student and a theater lover moving all the way from Bosnia and Herzegovina, finding a sense of camaraderie and ocean away from home was immensely important to me. Ramapo College offered that, together with affordable, broad, and expansive academic programs. Being a creative person, interested in a wide array of aspects involving theater, it was essential to me to be a part of a college that would offer me the opportunity to explore different avenues of creativity, such as acting in, writing, and directing theater plays, being the captain of the college's comedy improv troupe, The Fooligans, and being a part of student films. That is why I was so drawn to the fact that being undeclared at Ramapo is welcomed and that my process of exploration is supported. Coming from a vastly different education system, I was quite afraid of not being able to fit in and transition into college properly, but those worries were alleviated almost instantly. The faculty helped me find connections between my general education courses, as well as allowed me to take courses across multiple disciplines, all while fostering my love for creativity. The small class sizes, the constant feeling of community, and the ease with which one could switch majors all made Ramapo feel like a home away from home. And I think those aspects are the biggest strengths of a liberal arts education and degree. All my courses at Ramapo helped me develop critical thinking skills and repeatedly show me the value of learning how to think rather than what to think. After graduating, I feel prepared to tackle any obstacle that comes my way. Well, that was my performance, Alex. Now let's see some more of yours.
That was incredible. Let's give a standing ovation for Luka. Ramapo College is considered an innovative school by U.S. News and World Report, in part for its curriculum and facilities, which provide the opportunity for students to study over 40 different majors or embrace being undeclared while finding where their true passions lie. The Ramapo Center for International Education supports students like Luka with its emphasis on international, intercultural, interdisciplinary, and experiential learning. Luka, please break a leg out there. We're all wishing you luck. Take care.